guys, and today this is gonna be just a short video because I kinda found a combo. I don't know if it's good, but I'm just gonna post it, and let me know if you guys think it's good, because I mean hopefully yes, I know. Hold on, I'm not ready yet. Okay, yeah, 3, 2, 1, it's kinda, why is that actually good? I mean, I don't know if it's your opinion. It's your opinion if it's good, guys, so please just tell me. Yeah, I told you guys this was gonna be a short. So yeah, like and subscribe for more of my Roblox videos, and I just changed my avatar, and bye bye guys.